What's up, everyone? What's up, everyone? I am back. MySpace, what's up? Okay, quick update. I got Sergio here. I'm putting the subframe on the SI for now because we are missing a part for the trans I misplaced while it's been here this whole time. So we are gonna go ahead and put the subframe on this so I can push it out. Someone wants to buy this, so they gave me a deposit for it. However, I'm pulling the interior from this one, black carpet really, just a black carpet I think, to put in the Montego Blue one. So in the meantime, I needed to go to the notary, get everything. I'm about to go outside here and grab everything out of the trailer, empty it, head over to my boy Michael's house and pick up the Montego Blue so I can do the switcheroo between both of these Rx7s before Friday when the guy's supposed to come here and pick up that car. So yeah, that's where we're at right now. That's it, we got it all out of the trailer. Me and my boy Zach, thankfully he was here to help me. And right now, you guys will see, we got it all ready. I'm waiting on Kyle Boyer to get here. He's helping me. He got a truck that he's gonna pull the trailer with. And then head over to Michael's house. But first, we gotta eat some pizza from Randy's. If you're from the Valley, you know. Of course, I was supposed to get a freaking video before the freaking
and you know where else
slice was taken, but
whoops.
What is that? Whoops. Say hi, Lorenzo.
Like the
no. We're getting ready here, and then we're out. All right, so we are ready, and oh yeah, listen to that. That thing sounds like an airplane getting ready to take off, dude. Ready to get rock and rolling, Cowboy. Thank you, buddy. My man's about to come in road clutch here. That thing sounds like a rocket ship, bro.
That's the highlighter? Oh, the tag mark you had that. Fucking technical drive like I have a 40-footer behind me, right?
Yo, you know what, Cowboy?
Stop my trailer. Y'all do what the fuck y'all want, alright?
That's funny as hell.
Here for the ride.
I'm out here backseat driving Kyle Boyer. I don't even know how to drive with a truck and trailer.
Alright, now how do I get out to that fucking road?
But these are all still kind of steep, so I'll go down.
Yeah, I would definitely go down a bit.
Should I just go down?
Yep.
Alright, just get me out of this area.
Cool.
Well, I couldn't make the light come fast.
6 fucking minutes, Kyle. You missed the damn exit, dude.
Yeah, well.
Almost
Turn that
there.
light off.
Turn. I'm excited. We're here. No.
Yeah, but we're not gonna go uphill.
Did you just ask if the Rx7 drives?
Why would fucking search to buy a car that drives?
Exactly. I don't think any car I've ever bought
the last 10 cars have not ran.
All right, guys. Attacking me. Look at it over there. Watch.
You want to unlock me here?
Yo. Hi, put on.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, that's nice. Yeah. All right, we'll get her on the winch then, guys. It's actually like abnormally cold out here right now. It's probably the coldest day it's been all year. It's just absolutely freezing. Oh shit. Yeah, that thing looks really nice. Wow. Below 0 right now. We're out here freezing to death. The winch is moving slow.
So hold on, let me check the temperature.
Probably like fucking 10 degrees!
It's actually 15 degrees right now.
Oh my god, it's freezing!
He picks the coldest day.
Listen, there's worse things that happen.
You can't even see it. What are you hooking it to? Hook it to the bottom.
There you go.
Right there, there's a tow hook right there.
All right, pull it.
Hey, put it on that tow hook right there. And there's another one here. Do I need that? Are we good, right? We're good with that. What's this for then? For a second one?
I think he said you have to anchor it somewhere.
Alright, we're good, right?
Should be good.
Yeah, that's.
Yo, this shit is pretty fresh. This shit is mint. Zach's out here driving it. First time driver.
Looks good. That's a snap on me, right?
You look good.
I hope not. Go. Get him this way a little. Other way.
Which way is this way? Left or right?
Sorry, buddy. I'm sorry.
Yeah, watch your door, Zach. And the hard part's done.
Brake. Thank you. E-brake. Yep. Love you, bro. You're amazing. Hold on. You want me to open that door for you so you can get out?
Yeah, I got you.
No, I got it.
Skinny people
You're
things.
real skinny.
I can't even fit through the quarter panel.
Oh god. Over those fucking tires. It's great. You know, what better time to learn than right now? That's what I always say.
How's $40,000 or something?
Yeah, coldest night of the year so far. It's dark. We have a trailer that we never pulled before. We're figuring it out though. How hard could it be? You just put it on the back and put it in drive. Right now, hoping he's tying it down well enough.
Yep.
Fingers crossed.
How you feeling?
Feeling great.
How are you feeling?
Not great.
I'm feeling cold.
Yo, they got propane here. Maybe. I don't know, maybe.
Yeah. Oh no, it's ice. I don't know.
Check it out.
Trailer's in good shape though.
I don't see no propane.
No, I don't think they got propane. Yeah, this shit is fresh.
This is fresh, bro.
Oh my god, yeah, besides, I didn't even see that, but this Montego Blue is one of the most...
I love this color. This is probably my favorite one.
He's so bobbing. You good? Look, you good?
You're good.
You're just off the wood. You're off the wood.
You want it going forwards in?
All right, go ahead and direct them over there.
I mean, just don't hit the outside.
Keep going. All right, to the right a little. To the right. All right, right there. Go ahead, leave it.
Dang.
Hey, she's home.
Yo.
She's home.
Yo, do me a favor. Don't
Damn, look at that color.
No?
Yo, that interior is fresh.
Really? I gotta have it reupholstered then. Look at it.
It's fresh, right? Are you cold?
Look how it glows.
I got this center cap. This is probably a rare center cap right here.
Yeah.
It says try harder.
That's cool.
It does.
Oh shit, dude, this is mint. This is mint. Wow.
Yeah, definitely the best one you had.
We're putting the Regans on it right away.
Yeah, put it. The Regans is
immediate.
hot.
Fresh.
There's something blue.
He showed me, but I forgot.
The interior is hot.
There's some like, there's some worthless shit.
Yeah, I know that. It's weird for Scott because there's some.
It is a barn find for sure.
Spin around the block.
With the sunroof.
Alright, let's see if I can catch this here. It's a little dirty. It's been here for a while now. So really, just gotta wash her up and finish a few things on it and we'll be out enjoying it.
just so I can see if I can get a better view. And then
Gotta line up the bumper and everything. It doesn't fit with the intercooler that's on it right now, but I'm gonna be doing a V-mount, so it doesn't really matter. Look at it! Okay, so it's been home for about, I think, 2 days. We put some Rega Masters on it. There are cones around it right now because there's just a little spot right here, and I don't know if you can really pick it up on the camera, but it's a very small spot just here, just around here, where it needs some paintless dent repair. Because if you touch it, like literally I could touch it right here and it'll kind of buckle and make a small dent, and my dumbass keeps leaning on it. So yesterday all my friends grabbed these cones and put them there and said I wasn't allowed next to it, but I'm gonna go ahead and pull her out. Today's probably the first day that it's been like 40 some degrees outside, and I want to wash it. I want to wash it really, really good and then put her away. But I'm really loving this thing. I keep falling in love with it every day. Man, it has been a rough couple last days. You guys have seen the Montego Blue. You guys have seen everything I've been doing, getting rid of the other 2 shells I have. And here it is, the 3rd shell gone. This will be the 4th Rx7 Fd that I've sold. And right now I'm just trying to get it ready for the next owner. Make sure it's nice, tidy, clean, has all the plastic pieces, interior, all that. There are a few pieces missing from it, so I want to make sure he has a full roller, has all the pieces and stuff in it. Other than that, I've got to put stock suspension on it, and the fenders and the bumper over here laid out. But I got to pull the transmission still, put stock suspension on it, and then throw some wheels on it, finish up all the plastic pieces on the inside, and then tomorrow morning he should be here to pick it all up. But that's what I call a wrap. It's been a long day. I got the dirt off of this for the most part. I didn't really wash it. I just kind of sprayed it down with some foam and then rinsed it off, but looks a lot nicer. Got the rotary in here, the pickup truck. Got the turbo tube in here, and my guy should be here any minute now for this roller. Just so you guys see that one last time. Yeah, so I'm ready to get rid of that. So I got more space in the garage. The only thing parked outside right now is the Rx8 and the SI. So not too upset about that. Got some cleaning to do here in the garage, and then from there we'll figure it all out. But quite excited. She's off. Virginia, right? What part of Virginia?
Richmond.
Richmond. Yeah, man. So the other guy actually, I told you was from Virginia as well?
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's crazy.
I don't know what's up. You guys can't get cars in Virginia?
Dude, no.
No, he's like, no. Well, she's
I think you were the closest. Next closest was
Delaware or New York? Yeah.
There was one in Jamaica, and then one popped up in Alabama.
How much was the one in Queens?
Like 13.
13K? And
Yeah,
was it clean at all, or what was it missing? Was it missing interior?
No, but it was damaged.
Yeah, like really bad, dented, rusted, or anything like that?
It looked rough. Looked rough.
I really like your taco, dude. How many miles you got on it now?
Like 357.
Yeah, 357, and most of them were just put on getting this.
Yeah.
When'd you get it?
Like Wednesday.
Wednesday. That's
Yeah.
cool. That's cool. And already hauling an FD, man.
Yeah.
And that's your dream car?
Yep.
That's cool, man.
Super and FD, always been my dream cars.
I'm really happy, dude. That's
Thanks,
great.
man. Thank you.
Just like that, she's gone.
I'm gonna put the bumper.
There she goes, guys. Good old taco truck taking care of her.